Hello everyone, I am Ambuj, faculty of BCA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of generation of computer. So, generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer is being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between a varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation include both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. So there are 5 computer generation now till date. Following are the main 5 computer generations. Now first generation is starting 1946 to 1955. This period of the first generation, the main feature of the first generation are vacuum tube technology, supported machine language only, very costly, generated a lot of heats, slow input and output device, huge size, need of AC, non-portable, consume a lot of electricity. Some computer of these generation were IBM 701, IBM 650, Unique VEC. Now second generation started 1959 to 1965. The main feature of the second generation are used of transistor, reliable in comparison of first generation computer, smaller size as compared to first generation computers, generated less heat as compared to first generation computer, consume less electricity as compared to first generation computer, faster than first generation computer, still very costly, AC required, supported machine and assembly language. So some computer of these generation were IBM 1620, IBM 1794. Now we are going third generation. Third generation was from 1965 to 1971. The main feature of this generation, IC used, more reliable in comparison of previous 2 generations, small size, generated less heat, faster, less maintenance, costly AC required, consume less electricity, supported high level language. Some computer of these generation were IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000 series, PDP, this is called a personal data processor, IBM 370 or 168, and TDC 316. Now we are going to explain fourth generation. Fourth generation was from 1971 to 1980. The main feature of fourth generation, VLSI technology and very cheap, portable and reliable, use of PCs, very small size, pipeline processing, no AC required, concept of internet was introduced in the generation of fourth, and great development in the field of networks. Computer become easily available. Some computer of these generation were Start 1000, PDP 11 and etc. Now fifth generation is 1980 till nowadays, AI including in the fifth generation. So here some example: robotic, neural network, game playing, development of expert system to make decision in real life situations, natural language understanding and generations. There are main feature of fifth generation are ULSI technology, development of true artificial intelligence, development of neural network processing or a development of neural language processing, advancement in parallel processing, advancement in superconductor technology, more user-friendly interface with multimedia features, ability of very powerful and compact computers at cheaper rates. Some computer type of these generation are desktop, laptop, notebook, ultrabook, Chrome and etc. So I hope you understand the topic of computer generation. Thank you very much everyone.